In this video, we will show you how to create a new scenario from an existing analysis. We see the scenario name in the property details at the top. This particular file has a scenario name of base case. To create a new scenario, go to File, Save as New, Scenario. Next, enter a new scenario name. Then click the Submit button. When we do this, we'll notice that the scenario name is going to change at the top, meaning we are placed into that new analysis file. Now we can make any change we would like in the file, and we can always revert back to the original file through the File Load flow.